The internet. I don't know about you, but I used to think it was life. We use it to watch movies, play games, chat, keep up with each other's news, learn new skills, and my favourite, online shopping. I can't imagine what life was like before it existed. It makes life so much easier and fun. Jazz, look at this. Jazz?
Behind a computer screen, you can be pretty much anyone. You can experiment with different personalities, say things you wouldn't dare in real life, and find communities of people that you can bond with. But you never really know who you're talking to online. They might seem like a friend, but the truth is, unless you know them in real life, you don't know who you could be chatting with.
Hello, Jasmine. It's nice to finally meet you in person.
What do you want? Jazz? Come on, Jazz, what are you playing at? Jazz? Stop messing about, it's not funny anymore.